A very warm welcome to our Director, Principal Joyita Ma'am, Vice Principal, Chief Coordinator, coordinators, teachers, and my dear students. Before we move ahead with today's celebration, I would like to share a small thought with all my dear students. A house does not win by points alone, but by the choices its members make every day. Every positive action you take adds strength to your house, and every negative action, it takes it away. Let us remember that discipline, respect, honesty, and responsibility are the true foundation of success. As we begin today's event, let us all make a promise to be mindful of our behavior, to reduce negative points, and to contribute positively to our house and to our school. Today is the moment of pride, celebration, and achievement. We have gathered here to honor the house that has demonstrated excellence in academics, discipline, sports, cultural activities, and teamwork throughout the year. Before announcing the winner, let us take a moment to appreciate all the houses for their enthusiasm, participation, and strong team spirit. A big round of applause for all the houses. Now, the moment we have all been waiting for. I now request our esteemed Director, Principal Joyita Ma'am, to kindly announce the House of the Year.
Shakti House is the House of the Year.
I now request the House Captain, Vice Captain, House in Charge teachers, and along with the students of Grade 10 of Shakti House to collect your trophy. Kindly give a huge round of applause to the Shakti House. Now, to celebrate this proud victory, I request Shakti House in charge teachers, leaders, along with grade 10 students of Shakti House to take a victory parade around the ground with the trophy. Once again, congratulations to Shakti House for the outstanding performance and dedication. This achievement reflects teamwork, commitment, and unity. May this inspire all houses to strive for excellence in the coming year. We will now begin the badge retrieval ceremony. This ceremony is a moment to appreciate and honor our student leaders who have carried their responsibilities with sincerity, discipline, and dedication throughout the year. Let us give them a huge round of applause for their wonderful service. I now request our esteemed Director, Principal Joyita Ma'am to kindly join us on stage for the ceremony. I request all the captains to please come forward as their names are announced. School Captain. School Captain Shri Krishna G. Kulkarni. Sports Captain Dhruv S. Anchin. Shanti House Captain Anjali S. Bhatt. Neeti House Captain Niren Rajan. Kirti House Captain Ganavi Art. Shakti House Captain Divik Dinesh Krishna. Now, I request all the vice captains to kindly come forward as their names are announced. School Vice Captain Aisiri Mattat. Sports Vice Captain Harshini S. Shanti House Vice Captain Dhriti Umesh. Neeti House Vice Captain Kushi S. Raj. Kirti House Vice Captain Aprameya V. Shakti House Vice Captain Spurti A. Now, I request all the house in charge teachers to kindly come forward. Shanti House, Anita KJ ma'am and Nandini ma'am. Neeti House, Soumya S ma'am and Deepa Home ma'am. Kirti House, Hemavati PT ma'am and Mausam ma'am. Shakti House, AS Neeta Purnesh ma'am and Hamsa KL ma'am. Thank you, teachers, and thank you, ma'am. Now, it's the moment to hand over the school flag and the house flags to the principal. We have our school captain, Shri Krishna, handing over the school flag to ma'am. Shri Krishna has led the school as a captain with great pride, enthusiasm, and energy. Please give him a huge round of applause for his role and responsibility. Followed by Shri Krishna is our sports captain, Dhruv S. Anshin, known for his wonderful leadership quality and his energy. Please give him a huge round of applause. Thank you, Dhruv, for this wonderful role that you have played this academic year. As the name says, Shanti House Captain, our captain is also known for her calm and composed behavior. We have Anjali S. Bhatt taking her flag to hand it over to ma'am. Thank you, Anjali, for taking this responsibility with a great pride. We have Niran Rajan, the house captain of Niti House, known for his wonderful leadership abilities. Please put your hands together to appreciate him for this wonderful role he's taken a part. Thank you, Niran, for the responsibility you have taken up this whole year with lot of pride. We have Ganavi R from Kirti House leading the way to hand over the flag to ma'am. As the name says, she's calm, composed, but knowing what is to be achieved. A wonderful leader in the making. Thank you, Ganavi, and all the very best for the upcoming roles that you're going to play. Up next, we have Shakti House Captain Divik Dinesh Krishna, known for his team spirit. The energy he built in his team was not less. You can all see the energy in the house. Carrying his flag with pride. Thank you, Divik, for this wonderful role that you have played this academic year, and all the very best for your future roles. Thank you, ma'am. Dear leaders, thank you for being role models and for guiding your fellow students with responsibility and integrity. Your contribution to school is always remembered. Let us once again appreciate them with a huge round of applause. I sincerely thank our respected Director, Principal Joyita ma'am for her gracious presence, constant guidance and encouragement. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to our Vice Principal, Chief Coordinator, coordinators and dear teacher for their unwavering support and coordination. And to my dear students whose enthusiasm and participation makes every school event meaningful and memorable, a heartfelt thank you to each and everyone present here.